So hello all, welcome back to channel. In last video we have discussed about the umask value. Okay, so umask value and chmod, they are the two commands which is useful to set the permission and this thing. What's the difference between umask and the chmod? So umask is the value which is set to a user that whenever user create a file or a directory, that file and directory will have certain type of permission according to umask value. Chmod is a command which can change the permission of existing file and directory. So major difference is umask will work for a file and a directory which is going to be created by that user, and chmod is a command which will change the file and directory permission which is already created in the system. Okay, so we cannot change a file and directory permission using a chmod which is not yet created, but using umask we can set the value whatever file and the directory will be created for by that user will have that set of permissions. So what's the maximum any file and directory will have permission? Like for file, maximum permission is 666, that is read write for, and directory will have 777. okay, directory permission will be read write execute and read write execute. That's the maximum permission we can give to a file or a directory. While creating directory also we can set a permissions. So for that we are having mkdir command, like we are using that thing. Okay, so mkdir. Okay, so first we will see what are the permission here. Okay, ls-l, only two files, A and B. A is a file, B is a directory, and all are the hidden files. So now what I will do, I will create a directory mkdir test. Okay, so ls-ld. Okay, let's do ls-l. So what directory is having? Read write execute for owner, read and execute for others in group, and read and execute for others. Now I want to make a directory which will have permissions. For permission m 777 test1. Okay, now we'll see ls-l. See, test1 which has got created will have 7774 read write execute for owner, group and others. So in this manner you can create a directory with certain type of permissions. Okay, and okay, so directory we can give. Now we'll go inside the directory cd test1. okay, it is not having any file. We'll create two files, touch a b c d. We have created 4 files. Okay, these 4 files created using the umask of the root user. But if I go out of this directory, this abcd directory files was present in this. Okay, now I will change the permission of directory. So chmod 755 test1. okay, ls-l. If I go inside the directory test1, the file permission was same. So this permission setting which we are doing is not recursive. So if you want to make the changes in a recursive manner, so what you have to see, chmod -R 777 test1. So what this command will do, it will change the permission of the directory as well as file present inside the directory. So ls-l, see, this permission got changed to 755 to 777. Now we'll go inside the directory. Oh, file permission also got changed to 777. See, so for recursive changing of mode permission, we can do recursive method. Okay, so in this way you can change these things in a recursive mode. Now ls-l, so we'll go inside the temp directory. So what we are having inside the temp? Okay, inside temp we are having only 2 or 3 directories. So let me become to a normal user and I will go inside temp. Okay, so temp is having only one directory. I will create some files, touch A, B, C and D, lsfnl. Okay, so this directory is owned by root. This file ABCD is owned by this user. Now I want to change the owner, ch on Amit, and file name is A. Operation is not permitted because the file is created by that user. But if I want to change the group, chgrp, the user cannot change. But if I become a root user, sudo su hyphen, okay, and if I go inside the temp and I want to change the permission of that direct file, ch on Amit, file name is A. Okay, so we'll see lsfnl, user got change. If I want to change the group also, chgrp Amit, file name is A. Now user, like owner and group, got change. For changing owner, ch owner, okay. For changing group, chgrp. But if I want to change both owner and group in a single command, so what I will do, I will copy this name of this user, ch on user, okay. So what we'll do, paste, and a group and a file name. So in a single command, ch on, we are able to replace the owner and a group of a file. So these are the command which we are using on a daily basis. Okay, so what are the command? Ch mode for changing a permission, okay, and ch on to change the ownership of the permission, and umask to check the what the umask set for that user. Okay, so these are the very basic and very useful command in a day-to-day environment. Remember this, use this, practice as much as possible. These are the very basic commands, but you should know this thing if someone is going to ask you. And even in a recursive mode, you have to run like a number of command, and you have to change the permission of the files. So ch mode and ch on and umask is very important commands. Practice this as much as possible for you. That's all for today's video. Let's see you in the next video.